What's up, guys? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. So, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, what'd do? Also, today we're going to be doing this Christmas look, green with the candy cane liner. Something new for me and for you. Don't forget to stay tuned, guys. Let's do this look right now. I'm just prepping my eyes. I just put the concealer on. Okay, so I'm thinking for the palette we're going to use today is going to be the MacBook. I think I'm going to do a green look, so I'm going to use probably these 3 green shades. I want to do like the peppermint liner, so let's see how it works. First, we're going to go in with that lighter green though. And I'm going to use the Pharmaceaux brush. So I'm just gonna go in and pat that in. Same color on the other side. Okay guys, so going into that darker shade that's in the MacBook palette, we're going to go into that darker green and just pat it into down here. Oh, let me get my mirror, I can't see. I'm going to go in with the antidote from the GLAMEYE Pharmacy. It's just a lighter green. I'm going to just put a little bit on a napkin, because all I need is a little. I don't want to do a lot. We're going to go in with our NYX primer. Our NYX glitter. It's basically a glitter glue. We're going to go in with that. And we're just going to lay it flat across the lid. go in with the white liquid liner by NYX. And we're going to create our liner. Okay, so now we're gonna go back in and we're gonna use a liquid. Okay, so we're gonna go in and do a little candy cane. Okay, so now we're about to move into face, and of course, you know, I have to color correct first. Of course, you all know I use Deep Caramel from e.l.f. the 16-hour Caramel Concealer. We're going to go ahead and put that right there. We're going to take the Pharmaceaux Charcoal Beauty Blender and we're going to go in on this side. Let's get the rest of this off here. Pull out Juvia's Place Handy Dandy. from Real Technique. We're going to go into that Anastasia Banana powder. While that is setting / baking, we're gonna go in and contour. Juvia's Place Sokoto. We're gonna go into that contour and make something happen. Let's see. Just push, pat, push, pat, push, pat, push, pat. Contour with Cocoa Naughty. Let's go into the contour with Cocoa Naughty by Fenty Beauty. Next, I'm going to go in, and I don't normally do it, but I'm going to go in for this video and contour the nose. I can't see, so give me one. I'm gonna contour their nose out. Now we're going to go in with that NYX setting spray and we're going to spray our face. The Crayon Cases and Glola, and we're going to highlight that brow. Now this stuff is very pigmented. You can just get some off the top. And apply those lashes. Stay tuned. Okay guys, as you've seen, I didn't go in with neither one of those lashes. I went in with Pretty Perk 30, so I feel like they're a better look for it. I'm going to go in with that Believe Beauty that I got the other day, and it's a velvet matte liquid lipstick in the color Grenadine, and we're going to apply it to our lips. I know it's a velvet matte, so it still has to dry down, so let's see. So guys, here's the finishing look. I love it. Tell me what y'all thoughts. Just comment below y'all thoughts. If you love it, put a Christmas tree in the comments. Period. I look Christmas tree worthy, huh? So guys, I went in with that lipstick. I added Pretty Perk 30. I added the rest of my molds. This is the finishing look. All I can say is, guys, don't forget to comment your emails below, because tomorrow I will be giving away something. Not letting you all know what it is, but tomorrow's the first day of the giveaway and a winner will be chosen. So don't forget to leave your emails. Don't forget to leave your emails in the comment box below and enter the raffle. Duh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh.